If you use SONNET 3 on one side and SONNET, SONNET 2, or RONDO 3 on the other, you can stream sounds to both sides using AudioStream or the AudioStream Adapter. First, make sure SONNET 3 and AudioStream are turned off and have no active connection to any device. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Open the latest version of the AudioKey app. Navigate to Connectivity Options and select SONNET 3. Select Configure and then tap Next. Slide the battery pack cover onto your SONNET 3 to turn it on. Then, place it next to your phone. Tap Next. Connect the AudioStream cover or adapter to your other audio processor. Place it next to your smartphone. Tap Configure. If a Bluetooth pairing request appears, tap Pair. Now you can start streaming sound to both your audio processors.